Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete apps on your DOOGEE X97. Okay, so to do this on your DOOGEE X97 Pro, you have to go to the app drawer. So you can simply swipe up. If the app drawer is not enabled on your phone, you can just pick any application from the screen. But you can also go to the settings, go for the apps, click to select to show all apps, and here you can get rid of any application that you want. So for example, if you want to remove the Music FX, you can just select it and then click uninstall and click OK to confirm. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.